Good morning, student. In a last session, we start the new chapter of a chemistry is a halogen derivative. In this session, we have to mainly discuss about the resonance structure of a chlorobenzene and the reactions of haloarenes, that is chlorobenzene. Then in 11 science, we have to see the resonance structure of a different aromatic compound. Then what is the resonance? The resonance, there is a two or more identical structure of compound in which there is a identical position of atom but differ is a arrangement of electrons between them. म्हणजेच रेझोनेटिंग स्ट्रक्चरमध्ये जे ॲटम असतात त्यांची पोझिशन सेम असते, फक्त त्याच्यामध्ये असणारे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स का असतात डिफरंट असतात. समजा आपण एक फर्स्ट अँड सेकंड एक्झाम्पलचा विचार केला तर क्लोरीन कंटेन द three lone pair of electrons and one lone pair of electron is a shifting in between the bond, then valency of carbon increases, therefore this bond is a shifting on the atom. Suppose the species which can be gain the electron, it can be carry negative charge, and species which can be donate the electron, it can be carry the positive charge. देन पुढे पुढे काय करत गेलो आपण, हे दोन इलेक्ट्रॉन जे आपण ॲटमवर शिफ्ट केले ते बॉन्डच्या मध्ये शिफ्ट करायचे, आणि त्यानंतर जे डबल बॉन्ड इज अ शिफ्टिंग ऑन द ॲटम. म्हणजे जर तिसऱ्या स्ट्रक्चरमध्ये दिसलं तर तुम्हाला इथे या पोझिशनला आपण काय केलेलं आहे, ते डबल बॉन्ड इथलं शिफ्ट केलेलं आहे. अशा प्रकारे आपण 5 रेझोनन्स स्ट्रक्चर आपण क्लोरोबेन्झिनचे बघितलेले आहेत. हिअर वी हॅव टू सी the with respect to the chlorine, the negative charge is present at the 1 2 position, negative charge is present at the 1 4 position, and negative charge is present at the 1 2 position. That is, in the chlorobenzene the electrophilic substitution reaction is only at ortho. 1 4 means para position and 1 2 means ortho position. Okay, then we have to see the electrophilic substitution reaction of chlorobenzene. In a chlorobenzene we have to mainly know about that there are the which electrophile we have to replace. There are the hydrogen is a electrophile, but at ortho and para position hydrogen we have to replace, and instead of that we have to write the another atom. This is a nothing but the electrophilic substitution reaction. इलेक्ट्रोफाईल आपल्याला काढून टाकायचे. मग लक्षात ठेवायचं, जेव्हा ॲरोमॅटिक न्यूक्लियस असतो त्यामध्ये न्यूक्लिओफाईल का असतोय, हायड्रोजन असतोय. आणि आताच आपण रेझोनन्स स्ट्रक्चर बघितले, जे निगेटिव्ह चार्ज जो प्रेझेंट आला तो कुठे आला, ऑर्थो आणि पॅरा पोझिशनला आला. म्हणजे जेव्हा तुम्ही इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सबस्टिट्यूशन रिॲक्शन कराल बेन्झिनच्या किंवा क्लोरोबेन्झिनच्या, तेव्हा आपल्याला तो कुठे अटॅच करायचा आहे, तो ऑर्थो आणि पॅरा पोझिशनला. देन वी हॅव टू सी द डिफरंट रिॲक्शन. द फर्स्ट रिॲक्शन वी हॅव टू सी, दिस इज अ halogenation. The halogenation means the addition of halogen into the chlorobenzene. Here we have to see the chlorination. The chlorination means we have to add the chlorine into the chlorobenzene. Okay, therefore when the chlorobenzene is treated with the chlorine, okay, then addition of a chlorine molecule at the ortho and the para position, this reaction in presence of anhydrous FeCl3. Then in the first structure we have to see the chlorine we have to attach to the para position, and in the second structure we have to chlorine we have to attach to the ortho position, and therefore the compound it can be formed 1 4 dichlorobenzene and 1 2 dichlorobenzene. Means what you remind, जेव्हा आपल्याला क्लोरिनेशन करायचं आहे तर आपल्याला क्लोरीनचे ॲडिशन करायचे, पण कुठे ॲडिशन करायची आहे, ओनली ॲट ऑर्थो अँड पॅरा पोझिशन. तर अशा प्रकारे आपण हॅलोजिनेशन रिॲक्शन कंप्लीट केलेले. देन सेकंड रिॲक्शन इज अ नॅट्रेशन. The nitration means the introduction of the NO2 group is a natro group, क्लोरोबेन्झिनला आपल्याला नायट्रो ग्रुप अटॅच करायचं. व्हेअर वी हॅव टू अटॅच ॲट द ऑर्थो अँड पॅरा पोझिशन. द नॅट्रेशन, द रिॲक्शन इन प्रेझेन्स ऑफ नायट्रेटिंग मिक्सचर. The nitrating mixture is a mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. Okay, for your convenience, the NO2 group you have to like that is a HNO3 group you have to write is a NO2 is a nitric acid, and therefore we have to interested into the NO2 group. Then NO2 group in a first compound we have to attach to the para position, and in the second compound we have to attach to the ortho position, and therefore it can be formed alphabetically. We have to give the name is a 1 chloro is a 2 nitrobenzene, or 1 chloro 4 nitrobenzene. And what we have to replace from the ring? We have to replace the hydrogen, and this replaceable hydrogen, it is a combined with OH and to form H2O is a byproduct. Suppose we have to balance the reaction, then the reaction we have to balance by 2. Okay, very simple. The nitration, just we have to attach the nitro group at the ortho and the para position. The next reaction we have to see is a sulfonation. The sulfonation is always in presence of sulfuric acid, is a H2SO4. Okay, and sulfonation means we have to introduction of a sulfonyl group is a SO3H group. The sulfuric acid we have to write like that. In short, we have to write OH is a SO3H is a sulfuric acid is a H2SO4. When the sulfuric acid is treated with the chlorobenzene, then what happens? This SO3H group in the first compound we have to attach to the ortho position, in the another compound we have to attach to the para position, and therefore what is the name of that compound? The SO3H is a king of chemical. Okay, is a parent group, therefore the name is a come later than that of a compound, therefore we have to write the 2 chloro is a benzene sulfonic acid is a benzene sulfonic acid. In the second structure, what do you give the name? The with respect to SO3H, the chlorine at the 4 position, therefore 4 chloro is a benzene sulfonic acid. And what the byproduct? The byproduct we have to replace the electrophile hydrogen from the ring, and this electrophile is combined with the OH and it can be formed H2O. म्हणजे इथे आपल्याला हायड्रोजन काढून टाकायचा आहे. तो काढलेला हायड्रोजनच्या ठिकाणी आपल्याला सल्फोनिल म्हणजे SO3H ग्रुप लिहायचं आहे, आणि तो H आणि या H2SO4 मधला OH म्हणजे आपल्याला बाय प्रोडक्ट काय भेटेल? H2. रिॲक्शन बॅलन्स करण्यासाठी 2 कंपाऊंड आपल्याला भेटलेत, म्हणजे आपण 2 ने रिॲक्शन सहज इथे काय करू शकतोय? बॅलन्स करू शकतोय. And the last important reaction in this session is a Friedel-Kapp reaction. The Friedel-Kapp reaction, there are the 2 type of the Friedel-Kapp reaction. One is a alkylation. Alkylation means addition of a alkyl group. Okay, and the second one is a acylation. And the Friedel-Kapp reaction is always in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride as a catalyst. Okay, then first reaction we have to see the alkylation. Here we have to use alkylation, we have to use the methyl chloride. Methyl chloride is a methylation. Okay, then methyl group we have to attach into the chlorobenzene, where we have to attach according to the resonance structure. Negative charge is present at the ortho and para position, and that's why the electrophile H we have to replace, and instead of that we have to write the CH3. Okay, in first compound we have to attach to the ortho position, and in second compound is we have to attach to the para position. But suppose the CH3 group is attached to the benzene, it is a toluene. Okay, and with respect to that the chlorine at the second position, therefore we have to write the 2 chlorotoluene, and the second, what is the name of the second compound? Is a 4 chlorotoluene. And what is the byproduct? The replaceable hydrogen, the electrophile we have to replace, and this electrophile we have to combine with the Cl, and it can be formed SCl is a byproduct of that reaction. Okay, and the next one is a Friedel-Kapp acylation reaction. The acylation means the introduction of a acyl group. Is a acyl group. For acyl group, you have to take CH3 C double bond OCl. What is the name of that? Is a acetyl chloride. Is a acetyl chloride. Then here we have to add the C double bond OCH3 into the chlorobenzene. In the chlorobenzene, the C double bond OCH3 is attached to the ortho position and the C double bond OCH3 is attached to the para position. Okay, but suppose the C double bond OCH3 is attached to the benzene ring, it is a derivative of a ketone. It is the name is a acetophenone, and with respect to that, the chlorine is attached to the second position. Therefore, it is called as the 2-chloroacetophenone. Or in the second compound, we have to prepare the 4-chloroacetophenone. Similar to the first reaction, here also the byproduct is a HCl. The reaction we have to balance by 2. By this way, we have to finish the 4 important reaction of a chlorobenzene. Okay, which are the much important. Okay, thank you.